another video. This video is a bit different compared to the last few because I filmed it as part of the last video, if that makes sense. But if I included this and another video, which you'll see the week after this, the video would have been silly long. It would have been ridiculously long. So I thought I'd cut it up into smaller videos that are a bit more descriptive of what's going on. So in this video is basically me going on the Lada as I found it before I started cleaning it up and taking off all the stone chip and things that you saw in the last video, and just a general sort of tour around the underside of what is, I would assume, really, with everything that I've seen on it, a fairly unloved Lada of 44 years old. So yeah, I hope it's interesting at least, and yeah, thank you. So see, we're jacked. The jacks can go up a lot higher, so can the axle stand can go higher along with the jack. But I just thought for the moment we have a look and see what's what under here. Start with the sill. Too bad. Well, considering what it is, it's not too bad, I don't think. You can hear that, that's the fuel tank. It's gurgling. So before any work gets done, any spark gets sent flying, you know, we'll need to sort that out. There's this bit, which is fairly deep. Well, I say fairly deep, it was, you know, that's one of these things, one of those tabs that I was on about. Same with here, is it? That's definitely a tab. Again, I think a lot of this is going to be the same as above, well, the floor. So obviously the water gets underneath the rust protection and it eats it in between, so then it starts breaking out either one way or the other. Like, bingo. I already knew about that. So yeah, this is right. This is basically, I'll find the jack out later. But basically, when you jack the car up, instead of using the sill, you put it in there, something in that. No, don't worry, you put a finger in, and then you sort of jacks up like that. So that will mean, because it's so freaking close to this, you know, I'd say it'd be wise to get rid of that. Not get rid of it, but to take it off and replace it with something new. You can buy new parts. You can buy them. Without saying that, I know that I'm thinking about patching it, but it might be as well just to get a new floor pan. Sorry the camera works so shonky on this at the moment. Literally right around, isn't it? So this thing. nothing there. That shouldn't have a hole. So yeah, floor at the back. Still missing goggles. Not too bad actually. There's some spots here, obviously, but again, they're the same. They're the same as what was on top. Basically, just little bits and pieces where rust started, but hasn't really taken hold. I'm not going to do it tonight, but I want to get this a little bit higher up, just so we can inspect over there. But I mean, I know that this is a bad side anyway. You can see right there, same spot as this basically. So wherever I do over here will be a mirror image over there on the passenger side. Just a bit of a tour. Well, it's not a tour. Tell you what you could do with it. You could do with some light. There we go. I need to get a light myself. That's the gearbox. 4-speed. Very moist looking. Oily. I don't really care about that at the moment. Prop shaft. To be honest, it all looks all right. Well, you know what I mean. It's what I would expect the underside of a 44-year-old car to look like. You know, everything's fairly solid. I mean, that's the main chassis leg, the brace. I mean, it could do with knocking back the anti-corrosion stuff, and reapplying it, obviously. But even here, it's like above. Wherever it starts going rusty, it comes away, and then the good metal underneath it's still got a good adhesion to it, so it's all right. We're not too bad. I need to check inside the sill, actually. That'd be a to try. Obviously, I've got a look in here. You know, a lot of this is it just needs a good clean, but it needs more than a good clean. It needs a good clean off camera. See, all this is coming off, but then there's other places up here. It's just the dirt. Sorry, it's just the dirt that's coming off. You know, the main structural part of the car, or one of the main structural, they're thicker steel here, but this bit, that worries me. So I'd say as well, all of this area here, you know, from here up to here, effectively. But you know, just where the arch comes in, the end of the wheel well. That back will need doing, but how far over here do I need to go? I mean, you know, I'm going to keep going, obviously, to see what's to be done. Just need a mask, just that I haven't got. Not too bad. I'm happy enough. I just want to just show you up here. I haven't looked. It's the inner wheel. Well, I've got plastic liners to go into this now, front and back, so that when I'm driving there, all the metal in there is protected. I need to read as well how to get what the crack is with these wings, because like obviously the wings on my Corolla, which isn't in it. Did I take it off? I think I meant to take it off. It's just bolt. It's a bolt-on job, whereas this I can't see any bolts, so I think it's a weld-on job, which is great, isn't it? But for the most part, obviously there's some rust under the door. Sorry, the space is tight, so it's tight to get up. It's a bit it's a bit crusty, but it's not. It's not too bad. That's all in there is a problem area. This rear arch, because under there, where the point of the screwdriver is pointing at, that's the where the rear wheel goes, where the spare wheel goes, and on the other side is the fuel tank. So, but on this side, I think I'm going to get rid of not have a spare wheel, but put the battery there in instead. But the floor of that, the bottom of it, needs replace. That definitely needs replacing, and I do have a repair panel for that. So yeah. Well, keep saying it's not too bad. It's not great, is it? It's a project. Quite like it. So yeah, it was quite interesting, because I'd never seen underneath a Lada myself until I bought it. Well, actually, until you saw it on that video. So it was news to me just as much as it was to you. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up underneath. And if you want to see more of the Lada, either side here, wherever YouTube decides to put it, will be a card to the playlist. And yeah, if you want to subscribe, you're more than welcome to. But once again, thank you for watching.